Hi, so today we are going to do riffs. There's a 2-count riff, which is the regular riff, basic regular riff, which does not walk, and we have the walking riffs, which is a 3-count riff, and a 4-count riff, and a 5-count riff, and a 6-count riff, and a 7-count riff, and an 8-count riff, and as well I'm going to show you the 12-count walking riff today.
Actually, I'm going to do the 12-count walking riff on another video because this video ended up being too long. So check out my other video for the 12-count walking riff.
So let's get started. A regular riff is very simple. It's a 2-count riff, and it goes like this. Other foot. You might see some teachers do it like this. That would be a toe tip, heel scuff. Toe tip, heel scuff. You also might see a teacher do it like this. Toe dig, heel scuff. Toe dig, heel scuff. You might see it done in dances like this or like this. Both of them have 2 sounds, but one is much faster than the other. It takes up 2 counts. 1, 2, 1, 2, or 1, 2, 1, 2. Don't do that. You don't want to drag. It's click, click. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right. The regular basic riff doesn't go anywhere. That's just a riff. Riff, riff, riff. If you do it fast rather than slow, it's 1 count. 1, 1, 1. Still has 2 sounds, but it's 1 count with the dance or the music. 1, 1, 1. Get up, get up, get up. Okay? So this would be 2 counts with the music. 1, 2. This would be 1 count with the music. 1. It's very important when a teacher is teaching to differentiate between a 1, 2 and a 1. Now, the basic riff is not walking. The 3-count riff is not walking. It doesn't go anywhere. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Other foot. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Doesn't walk. Those are not walking riffs yet. So the 4-count is walking. The 4-count is the first walking riff that you can do. So real basic 4-count walking riff is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. A little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, it's very important after the basic riff to keep it off the floor so you have somewhere to go with it. Otherwise you miss that 3rd sound. So in other words, you have to go 1, 2, lift off the floor, 3 before the 3rd count comes down, and then 4, finish it off. You don't want to do this. 1, 2, because then 3 needs to be another heel, and your heel's already touching the ground. So then you have to bother to lift it up again, to drop it again, to drop your toe, and that's just a waste of time. So you don't want to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that just is a waste of time. You can't get faster doing that. So you want to make sure you lift your foot off the floor after the basic riff. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift it off the floor. Lift it up, put it down. Lift it up, put it down. So 4-count riff, faster, no words. 5, 6, 7, 8. might also hear it like this. A little bit syncopated. Usually teachers will do 5-count riffs rather than 4 riffs because, I don't know, I think we think 5 counts are easier, but they also sound better, and they're not much harder than a 4-count. So it's rare that you'll usually do 4-count riffs other than in exercise or across the floor in your tap classes. My tap classes, we do all of the riffs up to 12 count in across the floor. Now we're going to do the 5-count walking riff. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now breaking it down with terminology. It goes toe dig, heel scuff, heel pop, heel tap or heel walk, toe drop. Toe dig, heel scuff, heel pop, heel tap, toe drop. Toe dig, heel scuff, heel pop, heel tap, toe drop. Toe dig, heel scuff, heel pop, heel tap, toe drop. You usually won't hear teachers say all those words though, because that takes too long. You usually will hear them say something like toe, heel, 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 toe, toe, heel, 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 toe, toe, heel, 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 toe, toe, heel, 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 toe. Just because it's easier. I see a lot of my students do this, which you don't want to do. You don't want to go toe, heel, and then drop this heel when you do that heel, because you need this heel later, after that heel, than this one. Now you might find it hard to balance when you're doing it slow. Tap is much harder, slower, because you have to balance more than it is faster, because you notice I don't have to balance much when I go faster, but I do have to balance when I go slow. Okay, so if you're learning it slowly, you might want to hold on to a bar or a chair. Just note that that scuff has to come off the ground while you do the heel pop before you do the heel tap. That's very, very important. Don't drop that before you do this one, because then you have to lift that one back up again, and you've added sounds you don't want to add. So going on to the 6-count walking riff. It goes toe, heel, 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 toe, heel, toe, heel, 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 toe, heel, toe, heel, 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 toe, heel, toe, heel, 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 toe, heel. Let's count it out. Ready? And toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breaking it down in terminology. It will be toe dig, heel scuff, heel pop, heel tap, toe drop, heel drop. Toe dig, heel scuff, heel pop, heel tap, toe drop, heel drop. Toe dig, heel scuff, heel pop, heel tap, toe drop, heel drop, toe tap, heel scuff, heel pop, heel tap, toe drop, heel drop. All right, a little bit faster. 6-count walking riff. 2 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And a little bit faster if you're more advanced. Now the 7-count walking riff, 2 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Basically, if you know the 5-count riff really well, the 6, 7, and 8 are really easy because you're just adding heels at the very end, and it doesn't change the 5-count ever. So from 5, 6, 7, and 8, you're just basically doing a 5-count riff and then adding heels to the 5-count. You'll notice that when we get finished. Now, with terminology, the 7-count riff. Toe dig, heel scuff, heel pop, heel tap, toe drop, heel, heel. Toe dig, heel scuff, heel pop, heel drop, toe drop, back, heel, front, heel. Toe dig, heel scuff, heel pop, heel tap, toe drop, heel drop, heel drop, toe dig, heel scuff, heel pop, heel tap, toe drop, heel drop, heel drop. A little bit faster. And toe, heel, 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 toe, heel, heel. 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 A little bit faster to counts. 7-count walking riff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now faster, no words. Now the 8-count walking riff. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't worry, I'm going to break that down real slow. The terminology first. We're going to do toe dig, heel scuff, heel pop, heel tap, toe drop, front heel, back heel, front heel. Don't forget it's just a 5-count with 3 more heels. Toe dig, heel scuff, heel pop, heel tap, toe drop, heel drop, heel drop, heel drop. Toe dig, heel scuff, heel pop, heel tap, toe drop, heel drop, heel drop, heel drop. Toe dig, heel scuff, heel pop, heel tap, toe drop, heel drop, heel drop, heel drop. Also, instead of a heel tap, you might hear a teacher say heel walk, which is also correct. You'll very rarely ever hear a teacher teach it that way unless they're just starting out teaching the riffs, but usually you'll hear it like this. Toe, heel, 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 toe, heel, heel, heel. 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 Remember, it's just a 5-count with 3 more heels. So once you master that 5-count, you're good. All right, a little bit faster to counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 6, 7, 8. Seven count and 8 count riff are not nearly as popular as the 5 count or the 6 count riff. Just know that. It's rare you'll come across these. But I do want to show them anyways. A little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. My floor is a little bit slippery, so you might hear that a little bit more than you should hear it. Your riff should be click, click, like that, okay? Not so much like that. You might want dragging sounds in tap, but you really don't want them on riffs. You want it to be tap, 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 tap. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Now we are going to do the 12 count walking riff. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Just kidding, go to my other video to see the 12 count walking riffs.